Welcome, freshmen, transferees, and readmitted students. Let me guide you on how to access the ORSEM Google Site. First, access the CGC Google Site by typing in this link. Scroll down to Programs and Services and click on Asynchronous ORSEM for Students. You will then be redirected to the ORSEM 2021 site. Hope you enjoy your browsing. Also, please guide your parents or guardians in accessing the Parents ORSEM site. Again, visit the CGC site and scroll down to Programs and Services and click on Asynchronous ORSEM for Parents. Lastly, please take note of the synchronous session schedule of your respective college. For the College of Education, it will be on August 10 at 2 p.m. For the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, it will be on August 11 at 9 a.m. For the College of Computer Studies, it will be on August 11 at 2 p.m. For the College of Science and Engineering, it will be on August 12 at 9 a.m. For the Accountancy Department of the CBA, it will be on August 12 at 2 p.m. For the Allied Business and Business Management courses of the CBA, it will be on August 13 at 9 a.m. For the College of Nursing, it will be on August 13th at 2 p.m. Check your inbox and Google Classroom for the invitation link. Again, welcome to Ateneo de Naga University.